Hey guys, so today I'm here and I'm going to be doing a project pan update. I'm super excited and I want to show you guys where I'm at and hopefully a little bit of results and some updates pretty much. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started. Alright, for a quick overview, I did finish up the Wet n Wild lashes and I was not that big of a fan of those. The Smashbox Photo Finish. I still can't say it. The Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water is done. The Steve Laurent eyeliner pen, I did finish this up. I actually really liked this eyeliner pen. I got it in an Ipsy, I believe, and really liked it. I am going to be getting rid of my Hoola bronzer. Guys, sadly I messed up when I did this and it turned into like a weird clay when I tried to repress it, so I think I messed up. So maybe I won't try to repress anything again. I know that sounds awful, but like now I'm like worried that I'm going to mess it up again. I think I might have used a little bit too much alcohol because ever since it kind of just, even when I just put my finger in it, you can see how it looks weird and clay-like. I tried to put it on today, that's why it looks kind of weird. It just looks kind of patchy. The formula got caca. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to put in there instead. Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I know this seems quite like adventurous for a project pan. However, I would be happy, honestly, just panning up just these four. So without including them, if I just panned up these four, I'd be super happy and content with my use of this palette. I did get it at Marshall's for like $16.99 or something like that. It was a really great deal. So my goal is just to at least do those four because that's what I'm going to use. So this is going to be my new Hoola bronzer. I did have to get rid of this. This is the Too Faced Perfect Eyes Waterproof Eyeliner, and I did really love this, and I actually said in one of my favorite videos it was one of my faves, but I think it might have been in my collection too long because it started to do that thing where no matter how you tried to sharpen it, the tip just kept breaking. So I think it's a beautiful formula. It glides on so smoothly, but yeah, I don't know, I think I just had it too long in my collection, so I am putting him to go because he doesn't want to stay sharpened. Alright, so for an update for the rest, I am actually almost done with my Anastasia Brow Wiz. I only got this a little bit left. Afterwards, I will go into my other brow product, and I use brow products pretty quickly, I ain't gonna lie. I will then start using that one. So hopefully for my next update, this guy most likely will be gone. Really did like him though. Would repurchase him after I use some of the brow products I have, but really liked him. Next, because you guys know, I did pick up the primerizer for my birthday, and look at, I already used half of it. Really love this stuff. I've been also using it in, with the Smashbox Pore Minimizing Primer, and I put this all over and I just use a little bit of this just where I have pores. I'm going to be waiting to use the Cooling Matte Primed and PG Primer with the foundation because this is the foundation I'm going to use next. I'm going to wait to use them kind of together because I really like how they perform together. But these are going along great. Smashbox, literally this is almost half gone. This guy, if you actually let out the air, he's about half gone. He's a trial size, but great formula. Next up is some concealers. I really thought this guy would have been empty by now, but I'm actually scraping along the edges of him. Yeah, he actually doesn't have any product actually in the bottom, just along the edges. So I am trying to use him up. Hopefully next time for my next update, most likely he'll be gone. I will miss him though because he's a really good concealer. This is the Rainforest of the Sea concealer in Fair. And this is the Kat Von D Lock-It concealer. And this is in the shade Whiteout. And originally I was just using this as like a mixer with my concealers. But I'm actually starting to really go through this a lot, which is very surprising. But you can actually see it's already hitting along the sides, which you can actually see some empty sides here, which I'm really shocked on. So I don't think there's that much product in here. I wasn't expecting to go through this so quickly, but I have a feeling this one's going to go pretty quick. So I will keep you guys updated on these as well. Next up is the Hard Candy Longwear Sheer Envy Setting Spray. And this is what it looks like here. Give myself a little mist. I love this. It's very cooling. It smells like cucumber. I love the feeling of it. And this is actually a really great setting spray if you're in store for a really good drugstore setting spray. I highly recommend this. I really like the way it feels on my skin. It's got a nice mister, and I love that cooling sensation on my skin right now. It just feels good, and it's just great. I also use it to do my eyeshadows and stuff lately too. This is almost gone. I actually only got a little bit left. When I'm done with this, I'm then going to go to the Kat Von D Mini Lock-It Setting Spray, but most likely this will be gone. Next up is my Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. This guy is actually starting to dry up, so most likely he'll definitely be gone for the next update, which is that I actually, I wasn't trying to rush with this guy. I really love this mascara, but I'm starting to have to really try to get product out, so he is almost done so. Next up is my Too Faced Love Flush Blush in Baby Love. And this is what he looks like now. I was actually really proud of this. Really thought I was going to get hit pan on this, but I didn't. I feel like I'm so close. I can almost see just a pinch of metal right there, almost seeping through. Really hard to get a blush. I've been using this every day. Well, every time I wear makeup, I should say. It's very hard to hit pan on a blush. Next is the Smashbox Studio Skin Shaping Foundation, and of course the Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation. And I also want to say thank you to a subscriber who told me to take and kind of scrape some out. Don't mind, mine's like really gross now, even in the lid, and kind of like put it back in here. I don't want it to fall all out, but to kind of get down in there and try to scrape some out. There was a lot of foundation in the bottom of this, so he will definitely get emptied out. My contour doesn't have too much. Honestly, I probably won't do the stick and get in there and finish up all the contour, but the foundation definitely will. Especially to make it more even. Don't know, I like to mix it with the Anastasia Stick Foundation, because if not, this one I just find to be a little bit too dry. When I first used it, it worked great, but now I think I had it for so long, it's starting to get kind of, I don't know, kind of a little old, and I can feel that starting to tug on my skin. And because this one's more of drying and this one's really creamy, it just makes everything perfect. So this will help me kind of get through this guy a little bit more. This is the combination I have my skin right now, but I'm hoping so. I mean, maybe I probably, honestly, because it's starting to get weird, when this runs out, I'll probably stop with this guy and then go to my next foundation. I did include this, the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow. This is actually already halfway gone. I've been loving this. On days where I'm not really wearing this, this has been my go-to. It lasts all day. It does just everything I need it to do, makes my skin look flawless, and I love this foundation. So definitely including him. He's definitely going to be emptied out soon. Just an all-around just amazing foundation. Highly recommend this. I got a whole video on this, so definitely check it out. Alright, and that's it. I know I have a few powdered products like my MAC powder and my Peach Perfect kind of powder, but I really didn't do anything on those. They still pretty much look the same, so I was like, why show them? But next month, I really think, well, I should say next update, hopefully within the next few weeks, I really think I'm going to make a huge difference on these and kind of re-show you guys where I'm at. You guys have helped so much for me to stay inspired and keep on this, so thank you guys so much. And please be sure to subscribe, and I hope you guys are ready for more updates. Alright, thanks guys. Bye.